Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to access the recycle bin on SharePoint step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SharePoint site where your deleted item was located. Once the site loads, you'll see the site homepage with the site name and main navigation. Even if you deleted a file from a synced folder in File Explorer, you'll need to access SharePoint through the browser to get to the recycle bin. Look up at the top right corner of the page and click the settings gear icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down menu, click on Site Contents. The Site Contents page will load, showing all the lists, libraries, and other elements on your site. Now, look toward the top right portion of the Site Contents page, and you'll see a Recycle Bin link. Click on that link. The Recycle Bin page will now open, and you'll see a list of all the deleted items. The page shows columns for the item name, original location, who deleted it, and when it was deleted. If you have edit permissions on the site, you'll be able to see everything in the recycle bin, including items that other people deleted. To restore something, click the checkbox to the left of any item you want to bring back, then click the Restore button at the top. The item will go straight back to its original location, exactly where it was before it was deleted. Here are a few things worth knowing. Deleted items stay in the recycle bin for 93 days from when they were deleted, so you have plenty of time to restore them. You need edit permissions or higher on the site to access the recycle bin. If you only have read-only access, you won't be able to see it at all. If you're a site owner or admin, there's also a second stage recycle bin. Open the normal recycle bin and scroll all the way down to find a link to the second stage bin, where you can recover items that were deleted from the first stage bin. And that's how to access the recycle bin on SharePoint. Thanks for watching.